Motorhead Garage, the program that each week introduces you to and shows you how to install the latest in exciting and innovative products for your vehicle. Now here's your host, Dave Dobson.
Motorhead Garage is presented by DragonfireTools.com. All right, let's cut right to the chase. Let's say you love off-roading. Maybe you want to fabricate something for your vehicle. Maybe you want to tinker in your garage and do something for one of your other cars. Well, you want a tool that's affordable. You want it to be made in the USA, and that is exactly what Swag Off-Road does. Matt, what did you bring for show and tell?
So I brought with us today our Swag Portaband table. Basically, it allows you to take a portable bandsaw, mount it vertically, and convert it into a vertical metal cutting bandsaw.
This is a great idea. How do I know it's going to fit the saw that I already have?
So we have a table that's compatible with over 80 different saws on the market today. So if you've got an old portable bandsaw sitting in your garage, we've got a table that'll fit.
And if you have an old saw, it has a cord, and getting power to the saw is easy because you can put a foot switch or something like that. But with the battery power tools that a lot of folks have today, how do you manage that? You don't want to reach around the tool to pull the throttle, so what do you do?
Exactly. So we had that same problem, and that's why we developed our chokeout kit. Basically, it's a trigger actuator that is powered by a choke cable. So you can turn it on, turn it off, nice and safe. Your hand stays away from the blade.
It's a brilliant idea. The Portaband table is going to save you a lot of space in your shop. It's going to save you a lot of money because you don't have to buy a new bandsaw. Now, once you cut the metal, naturally you want to bend the metal. And so that's where this comes in. Tell me about this tool.
So this is our 20-ton heavy-duty finger brake. We offer it in a couple different versions, fully welded, ready to go out of the box. So if you're looking to order one up, drop it in your press, and get to work, we've got you covered. We also offer it as a DIY welded together kit. It's great for guys learning how to weld. Once they put this together in about 2 hours, they've got themselves a tool that'll last them a lifetime.
Now, if you're pushing this brake to the limit, what kind of steel can you bend?
So this unit right here, the 20-ton heavy-duty finger brake, you can bend up to half-inch plate just like this.
That's amazing. What if I want to bend something that won't fit in this brake?
So we offer a couple different versions, a 40-inch and a 50-inch. You'd have to weld your own H-frame press, but man, our customers are amazing. You should see what they've made.
Well, yeah, what are people using this for?
We've got customers in the off-road world that are using it for skid plates, bumpers, things like that, and guys in their garage just making brackets.
Now, you've bent your sheet metal, you've bent your plate steel. What if you have tubing? What do we do with that?
So we offer a tubing roller. We call it our Hulk tubing roller. And this allows you to make smooth sweeping arcs. So guys doing exo cages, bumpers, light bars, things like that, where they want to put a nice gradual arc on their tubing, this is the tool for the job.
Of course, I've seen lots of photos of the projects that can be done with this. Not just automotive, but I've seen people do handrails and gates, spiral staircase railings, even that kind of thing too. This thing is incredibly versatile. What makes it so versatile?
Well, one of the things we offer is 70 different die sizes for this unit. So if there's a material out there you want to roll, there's a good chance we got the dies for you.
This is an incredibly heavy tool. How do you handle shipping?
So basically, this is the only tool here that you've seen today that we charge shipping on. Everything else ships for free, including the die sets.
And everything else here ships for free as well.
Correct, yes.
And how does Swag Off-Road ensure that you're getting a quality tool when you order it online?
So we're a small company, so we've got to put in the extra work. We've got great customer service. If you've got questions and you call us, we pick up the phone. If you've got an email, we answer it. You know, that's the best way that we found to kind of compete with the bigger companies.
And it's also important to note all the metal parts here are made in the USA.
That's true. We pride ourselves in making all of our tools right here in the United States.
Swag Off-Road makes it simple, they make it affordable, and they make it right here in the United States. You can find them at swagoffroad.com. We've got a whole lot more Motorhead Garage presented by DragonfireTools.com coming up, so please stay here.